Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, myself Professor Uday Bukre. Now I am welcoming you on your own YouTube channel Ekeeda. If you are watching my video for first time, I request you to subscribe to our channel Ekeeda and also press bell icon for your latest notification. Now students, today we are going to learn for CA intercourse accountancy subject very easy topic, issue of bonus shares. Students, we are learning now question number 1, which is on your screen. Following items appeared in the trial balance of Bharat Limited. Trial balance of Bharat Limited is given, right? Some of the items are given. A listed company, it is a listed company means it is listed in stock exchange, it has to follow SEBI guideline and stock exchange guideline. For us, accounting purpose, no use. As on 31st of March 2000 X1, they have given you the detail. Equity shares of ₹10 each, capital redemption reserve, securities premium collected in cash, they are very specific on that. General reserve is also given, and surplus, that is the credit balance of profit and loss account, is also given. Company decided to issue to equity shareholder bonus shares at the rate of 1 share for every 4 shares held. 1 share for every 4 shares held means if you are having 4 shares, 1 bonus share will be given. So based on that, we will decide how many shares to be given. And for this purpose, it decided that there should be minimum reduction in the free reserve. Minimum reduction in the free reserve means firstly you use capital reserve and then you will use your revenue reserve. Capital reserve means first preference will go to CRR because उसका काम ही वही है बोनस. सिक्योरिटी प्रीमियम अपने पास सेक्शन 52 ने दिया हुआ है और जनरल रिजर्व ये आपका फ्री रिजर्व है और उसके बाद में पीएल अकाउंट. आई ऑलवेज सजेस्ट स्टूडेंट टू फॉलो FIFO बेसिस व्हेन यू यूज द रिजर्व्स. जो रिजर्व पहले क्रिएट हुआ है वो पहले यूज करो. जैसे कि यहाँ पे जनरल रिजर्व हम लोगों का पास्ट में जो प्रॉफिट था वो स्टोर किया रहेगा, दैट विल बी यूज फर्स्ट एंड देन वी विल यूज प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट फॉर डूइंग द बोनस. Right, pass necessary journal entries. So we need to pass journal entries, so we'll record the entries. In this question you can notice they have said that 1 bonus share will be given for 4 shares held. So I need to do a small working to decide how much amount I exactly need for the bonus. So working note we are doing for deciding how much amount we need for bonus. To calculate amount required for bonus, we have to consider how many shares are held and how many bonus shares can be given. So shares held and bonus shares are the two things we need. Four shares, if you have, you will get 1 bonus shares. How many shares do we have? Look at the question, how many shares our shareholders have? They have 40,000 shares. Based on that, how many shares they will get? If you hold 4 shares, 1 bonus share will be given. If you are holding 40,000 shares, how many bonus shares are to be given? Based on that, I come to know 10,000 bonus shares can be given. 10,000 bonus shares can be given. How much amount we need for bonus? $10,000 shares into ₹10 means I need 1 lakh. How this 1 lakh can be raised? From which reserve? Question mentioned that minimum reduction in free reserve, that means maximum you will use capital type of profit first. So based on that, I will use firstly capital redemption reserve, then security premium, then general reserve, and then P&L account if required. So my first preference will go to CRR. So my CRR required is, amount required is 1 lakh, but I have CRR only 55,000. Second, you will use capital type of reserve. Next capital type of reserve we have securities premium, which is realized in cash. It is used at a second preference. So amount is 30,000. Overall, how much amount I need? I need 1 lakh. How much is shortfall now? 15,000 only, because 55,000 from CRR, 30,000 from security premium, so it comes to 85. That means remaining 15,000 I can take from the next reserve. Next reserve available is General reserve and P&L account, but I will use general reserve. On FIFO basis, this reserve must have been created earlier, so I will take it from general reserve. There is no need to use P&L account. In this way, we have raised 1 lakh rupees. Total 1 lakh rupees is raised with the help of these three reserves. So my entries will be only two entries. First entry is to utilize the reserve. Second entry is to actual bonus shares. So I am going for that. First entry we will do for utilizing the reserve. Which reserves we have decided to use? CRR, securities premium, general reserve. It will be debited and bonus to equity shareholder account will be credited. CRR account debit, that is capital redemption reserve account debit. Then I will debit securities premium account. Then I will debit general reserve account. And I will credit to bonus to equity shareholder account. Total amount of bonus we decided 1 lakh. Out of that, CRR will provide 55,000. General reserve will provide you 30,000. Sorry, securities premium will provide you 30,000. And general reserve will be used to the extent of 15,000. Repeat. Capital redemption reserve will be used 55,000. Securities premium will be used 30,000. And general reserve will be used 15,000. Narration. Being reserves used for bonus issue. So second entry bonus will be debited and equity share capital will be credited. Being actual issue of bonus shares in the ratio of 4:1. How many shares were issued? 10,000 as we know, having a face value of rupees 10. This will be credited to the capital. This simple question we have learned. Student, will this come in the exam? Now the question is, a big smile will come on your face, I am very sure. Sir, will this come in the exam? I will say no. If at all, if you are very lucky, lottery lag gayi, so it could be a 4-mark question, not more than that. I tell you. But I tell you, this topic is important for some other topics like a redemption of preferences we will learn. In that topic, this will be the add-on work. Okay, so this topic you don't learn as a topic, it is a part and parcel of some other topic. But we are learning it officially. That is the only thing I can tell you. Very simple working, very simple question we have solved. Don't expect in the exam. But thank you for watching this video. If you have any doubt, please put in the comment box. I will reply on that. Thank you so much.